Hello and welcome to another tutorial of JavaScript. In this tutorial we will going to work with a switch case again. However, this time we're going to work with switch case acting as an OR between the conditions, between the multiple cases. So here I would like to utilize this variable called gender of type character. So we're going to put in a value m in lowercase. If I would like to write a switch condition which pretty much works like this, it displays male if the character equals m, or if the character equals m, and similarly I will going to use it to display f if a female if the character equals f, if the character equals f. And the default will be a document.write statement that'll say invalid input. Now in this case, if you notice, the letters M and M, lines 10 and 11, produce the exact same output. Lines 12 and 13 produce the exact same output. So if the two cases are producing the exact same output, you do not have to repeat the statements and the break over and over again. You can sort of kind of connect the two like an OR. That means if the gender, which is the variable up here, is equals to m or m. So in order to do that, what you do is you just simply get rid of the statements and the break from the top condition or top conditions and only leave the statements and the break in the bottommost condition. So what will going to happen, the bottom condition will going to align itself in the OR operations with all the top conditions. And that's why you only put the break in the final condition. So now it means if gender is M or M, display male. If gender is F or F, display female. Otherwise, display invalid input. So we'd like to test this, just like we have tested our previous statements. And here we're going to be displaying male because I set my character to equals m. If I change it to an uppercase M, it still displays male. If I change it to a lowercase f, then it will going to display female. If I change that to an uppercase f, it still displays it as a female. And if I change it to a letter other than F or M, then it displays an invalid input. Well, so that brings us to the end of this tutorial where we learn how to use different cases in a switch case structure by using an OR operation between them. From the next tutorial, we're going to move to working with loops. Thank you for watching the tutorial.